Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Silverado, that generation here guys that you see from year 2014 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the fuses for the power outlet socket are located, which fuses you need to check, multiple fuses in 2 different fuse boxes, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. The power outlet socket fuses, where you can guys expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Silverado right here. Now if you guys have one of those, you have hidden fuse boxes all over this truck, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Silverado. It will teach you all about that. But what do you guys need to do today? First, we need to go ahead and open the driver's side. Once you open guys, the driver's side right here, you see on the side you have that cover, that's the dash. Go ahead and remove that cover. Once you do that, you'll get to a fuse box that looks like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now guys, quick thing, if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out, that way you do not waste money and time. So guys, here what we need to check, multiple fuses. There will be some differences for different years, so we'll cover that as we go. But if you have 2014 through 2016, we'll explain about that, then we'll talk about 17 through 19. But if we zoom in a little bit guys, here we will need to check first fuse number 1, that fuse right here, very important fuse. Then you need to check fuse number 10 or 11, depending on which position it's installed. Watch, it could be, if it's on this side it's known as fuse 10, if it's on that side it's fuse 11, but that's the fuse that we're talking about. You need to check that one. Then you need to check fuse number 12, we're talking about this fuse right here. And after that guys, what we need to do, we need to open the passenger door. And here you have the same cover on the passenger side, remove it and you have another fuse box here. Here we will need to check guys fuse number 1, we're talking about that fuse right here. Check that one, for cigarette lighter power outlet socket also known. And if you guys have 2017-18 model, you'll be still that fuse right here on the passenger side, and on the driver's side, the fuse box may differ a little bit, but not much. It will be still these 3 fuses that we will need to check right here. Now guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind guys, that way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.